Hello. You may not have seen me in a while because I had a little accident. I had an argument with the surface planer. I just reset the blades on this thing because I was finding I wasn't getting a perfectly square cut. So I reset the blades, fired it up, and I was passing this little bit of oak over it just to test it. Was I using a push block? No, I wasn't. So something happened. It happened so quickly, I'm not really sure what happened exactly, but this flew out of my hand and dragged my fingers, these two fingers, straight onto the cutting head, which, let's have a dramatic reenactment. So imagine this is spinning round and round at high speed with these knives flying around. Here was me, without a push block, pushing this along here, like this, making sure to keep my fingers right out of the way, of course, because, you know, spinning blades and all that lot. And it's all going fine until, actually it's the other way around, until something happened, and you can see here there's a notch and a notch and another notch. This just shot this way, and my fingers, still being on here, went with it and went right across the cutting head. So as I watched this piece of wood fly that way, I didn't feel a thing. And then I turned around and saw that the ends of my fingers were missing and there was blood everywhere, and I thought, this is less than ideal. So what am I doing now? Well, very little. It's been about 3 weeks since it happened, and I've gone from having really big bandages to these little bandages now. I can still, it still hurts a little bit. I can't really bend these fingers very much. Yeah, it'll get better. I've seen a couple of consultants, and yeah, they think it's all going to grow back fine, so it's just a waiting game, really. So at the moment I'm just sort of watching Parks and Recreation and eating grilled cheese sandwiches and planning on what I'm doing next. I think I do know what I'm going to be doing next. Not using the surface planer for a while, until I get some proper push blocks, that's for certain. I wasn't even down here to use that machine. I came down to do something completely different. But I got sidetracked and I thought, oh, I know, I'll reset the blades. That was a dumb decision. Anyway, what am I doing next? Well, let me show you. Yes, because having a full-time job and a 30-year-old Volvo isn't enough, because I eat so many grilled cheese sandwiches and watch so much Parks and Recreation, I want to ride to work at least a couple of times a week. So I intend to clean up and ride and possibly electrify, this 30-something-year-old Rally 20. Which is probably a really dumb idea. It'll probably cost me an absolute fortune. But I really like these old small wheel rally bikes. Hello. So that's what I'm doing now, when I get better, of course. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bit of a different one. No Dr. Turtle. If you really want to see the gory bits, hang on. I'll put a frame of it at the end.